Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make brittle plating grounded. Proper grounding is crucial for safety, preventing static electricity buildup and potential electrical shocks. We will cover preparing the surface, applying a conductive layer, and finally connecting it to an earth ground. This guide ensures your components are safe and function optimally for a long time. Preparing the surface is the first critical step. Start by thoroughly cleaning the brittle plating, removing any dirt, grease, or oxidation. Next, gently abrade the surface using a fine grit abrasive, like 400 grit sandpaper. This creates a slightly rough texture, which is essential for ensuring excellent adhesion of the conductive material we will apply next. Now, it's time to apply your conductive coating. Choose a high-quality conductive paint or adhesive and apply a thin, even layer over the entire prepared surface. Aim for a thickness of about 1 to 2 mils to ensure optimal electrical conductivity. Remember to allow ample drying time, typically around 24 hours, as specified by the product instructions, before moving on. The final step is establishing a secure ground connection. Attach a grounding strap or wire firmly to the conductive layer. Verify that this connection point has very low electrical resistance, ideally less than 1 ohm, to ensure effective grounding. Finally, connect the other end of your grounding wire to a verified earth ground point, completing the circuit and ensuring safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.